This video will show you how to use phase rulers using PicoScope 7 Automotive software. To turn on the phase rulers, select the rulers icon in the toolbox. You'll see your graph rulers. Below that you'll see phase rulers. Simply turn them on. Now you have some choices. You can select your boundaries, select custom boundaries, select your units, a number of partitions, and whether or not you want to wrap or not. In this case, we're looking at an engine. It's a 4-stroke engine, so we want to measure over 720 degrees. We want 4 partitions for the 4 strokes. And now all we simply do is move our cursors in between the 4 strokes of the cycle. And that's how you use phase rulers using PicoScope 7 Automotive software.